In this video, I will show you how you can boot into recovery mode on your Samsung tablet. Now currently this tablet is running on One UI 8, so the process I will show you will work perfectly on tablets which are running on One UI 8 or later. But if you have a tablet which runs on an earlier version of One UI, like the One UI 1, 2 or 3, so later in the video I will show you the process for that specific tablets. Now to enter into recovery mode, first of all, just power off your tablet. Now just open the power menu and select power off. And after you completely power off your tablet, now the next step is just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And as we see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. But if you have a tablet which runs on an earlier version of One UI, now to enter recovery mode on that type of tablets, first of all, after you power off your tablet, then you will need the charging cable of your tablet. Now just plug one end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC, and as you press and hold both the power button and the volume up button, just plug in the other end of the cable to your tablet. And after you do that, you will see the Samsung logo on the screen and you will enter into recovery mode. And this is how you can boot into recovery menu or into recovery mode on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.